Hey folks, Technivorous here, and today we're talking all about NFTs. Now, I have a new NFT collection that's coming out and will be available shortly, but before we get into that, I'd like to tell you about my automated collection maker. So, I programmed a bot in WinForms and C# that will allow you to drag in folders of layers and make your own NFT collection completely randomly, completely by chance, and without making duplicates. So I'm going to go over that with you real quick right now, but stay tuned to the end because we're going to talk a little bit more about exactly what we're doing with these NFTs, and I'll let you know where you can get a hold of this program as well. It's not quite ready yet, but in the next couple of days before the week is out, you should be able to get a working copy, and the NFTs should be available as well. So let's jump right into it, go over to the collection bot, and I'll show you what's going on. Welcome folks, I am Technivorous. Today we are going to be using my Technivorous NFT Collection Bot, and we are going to be making an NFT collection. So I have all my layers here. These are different graphics, and this is my empty folder I'll be generating files to. So this is a collection I'm working on that will be available to buy. They are called Rando Commandos. I am still doing some test runs and updating some graphics. So they're not quite available yet, but let's go and look, make sure our test gens folder is the one selected. And now we're going to go and we're going to count our folders. We have 9 folders, which means we need 9 layers. So we're going to hit 9 there, and then go ahead and hit let's go. Popped up on my other window here, so I'll drag it in, and you can see that now we have our image load. So this box is just for resizing images. All these images are the same size, so we're going to go ahead and just load them. And we're going to start with the bottommost layer first and work our way up. That way they end up in the right order. So we'll bring in some backgrounds, and then we're going to bring in a second layer of backgrounds. Now these are a little bit of a flare for the background, and I don't want those to be on every piece. So we're also going to go in and we are going to grab, I have some blank files, and that way a lot of these just end up coming out without an image, and you'll see what I mean when we start to generate. This increases the rarity of those 5 background additions. So let's go ahead, and I think next we will grab our heads. As I said, you got to make sure that you're doing this in the proper order, because if you put your head above your eyes, you won't see the eyes, and etc. So next we'll do the eyes, and then I think I have a few eyebrows in here. There we go. There's 3 in here, so we'll grab those, and then we'll just keep going. We'll fill up our list here. Got some mouths. And you can do this with just 2 layers. The more pictures you have, the more random combinations you'll get. So having a lot of variation will give you a lot of variation in your NFTs. Let's go ahead and grab the noses. And then I think the last one here is accessories, yes. And we're going to put in some blanks in here as well. And then we're also going to add in an extra pair of these glasses that will make them less rare, meaning that they'll get drawn more often because there's multiple copies in the pool to draw from. And then we can go ahead and make an image. First, we'll make a test image. We'll do 1 random image. And there we go. Looks like everything's coming out all right. So let's go ahead and make a series. And we're going to put 500 in here. And I'm not going to let this run all the way, but it will make 500 different images. So we'll just take a look. And this is the interesting part to me. This is the part I like, is watching these load. You'll notice that maybe 1 out of every 7 or 8 has a second background, and not very many of them have accessories. The most common accessory obviously is those glasses, because we put so many of them in there. And it's just going to go through and randomly generate repeatedly all of these awesome different pictures. Now, all of these are going to get scrapped and tossed out. I'm not making actual NFTs out of any of these ones because I'm not done with the accessories yet. But I will say, when you're working in your folder, you don't want to just keep adding random blanks like I did. You want to have a certain number of blanks in that folder, and that way you can load all of your layers and have the same odds of generation each time, instead of saying, oh man, did I have 2 blanks in here or 20? So, and it's that simple. If you'd like to get the program, the only way to get it is to help me promote my collections. Sorry guys, everything comes at a cost. So there are 3 ways to get this program. Firstly, you can tweet to @Technivorous using hashtag NFT and hashtag CollectionBot. To do this, you must include a link to my NFTs and make sure that you can receive DMs, because I'm going to send you a link. Second way to get the bot, again, share my NFTs, but this time in an NFT Facebook group. All you have to do is tag me @NickMancuso, and again, I will send you a link. The last way to get the program is to purchase one of my NFTs, because all of my NFTs automatically unlock a link to download the bot once purchased. While this isn't the cheapest method, it definitely helps me out the most, and you get a one-of-a-kind NFT made by me, Technivorous. So now let's talk about this guy. So this is a Commando Token. So this is a Rando Commando coin. Basically, it is a digital 3D NFT, and its value is in turning it in. So basically what you're going to do is purchase one of these guys, and then you are going to send it to the wallet address mentioned on the page that I'm about to show you. And when you do that, within 24 hours, I will send to the sending address a return NFT that will be your Commando token. The reason I do it this way is because every time a coin is turned in, I will roll 2 tokens, and I will be doing that live on stream, and I will send you the rarest of the 2 tokens. The other one is owned by me, and I will put it up for auction, but this also helps me limit the number of Rando Commando tokens that are available while ensuring that you get a good roll for your price. So this is an interesting new way of getting NFTs, as well as incorporating a little bit of a fun game to see exactly what you can get. So the coins are available now. I'm not accepting any of them until Friday, so if you purchase one, hang on to it. After that, you're welcome to turn it in, and within 24 hours, I will live roll you 2 NFTs and give you the rarer of the 2. Now, since this is being done live, of course, people are encouraged to join in, check out the live shows, and hopefully we can get a little bit of buzz going around about this. So I'm really looking forward to this drop. Right now, we're going to jump over to rarible.com. I'll show you my profile, which is the one that I want you to share if you'd like to get the bot, as well as this token, and where to find it if you'd like to purchase one and roll your own commandos. So let's check that out. And here we are. This is my profile page on Rarible. You can find it by going to rarible.com/technivorous. So that's just what pops up when I'm in my profile. And as you can see, I have several NFTs. Now, this was the original collection test. There are only 10 of these. There will be no more. I am going to be letting the rest of these go. Whatever doesn't sell by the end of auction, I will burn, which means that they are going to be super rare soon. So the tests worked out great, and I'm getting ready to finish the last couple of graphics and upload the first of the Rando Commandos. However, I'm not going to be uploading anything until I sell a coin, and the first thing we need to do is to create a coin. So I'll show you how to create an Ethereum NFT real quickly on Rarible here. Oh, nope. Wrong one. We need multiple because I'm going to make several of these. So let's grab our file, and I believe I stuck it in 3D objects, Rando Commando coin. We'll drop that there. And then we're going to put fixed price. Price is going to be an ETH, and we need our price to be somewhere in here. That should do it. That'll give us enough gas to pop open the next one. So and then unlock when purchased. Okay, if you buy one of these, you're going to be able to receive a copy of the NFT bot maker. So I'm going to pop that in here real quick, and then all we have to do is name it Rando Commando Token. This is a token for rolling a Rando Commando on the Technivorous live stream. Purchasing this token. After purchasing this token, it is redeemable by sending it back to the sending address, which you receive NFT stream. Making them super rare. Some have secret accessories, backgrounds. Make them super cool. All right. Anyway, royalties on this, since it's not going to get resold and given back to me, I really don't need royalties. We're going to put 1%, just in case for some reason somebody sells one and makes a profit to somebody else. And we will start with 100 of these, which means in total there will only be 200 Commando tokens, but we can always recreate more of these if we need to. We'll just see how it goes. So now we're going to go ahead and click Create Item. And now it's minting for us. It's going to ask me to sign some things, so I'm going to skip past this part. And there we have it. Your Rando Commando Token NFT is successfully created. It'll be minted on the blockchain while purchasing or transferring. So now I can share, which I'm going to do. Let's jump over and take a look at the NFT here. And here we are. It is showing up. We can see it. We can see our token number. We can also see over here if you click Get Unlockable Content. And if you click that, it'll check your wallet to see if you have this item, and then it'll give you the address to download that bot. So if you want it, definitely check these out. Otherwise, like I said, you can tweet or Facebook. Make sure you share and let me know how you feel about this coin, guys. I'm really looking forward to our first live stream and rolling some Commando coins. But for now, I had probably better get back to finishing up the artwork so we're ready completely for this drop on Friday. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'm probably going to do a couple more videos on NFTs and crypto because I'm having a lot of fun playing around with them, and I hope that this was enjoyable to you. Please share it. I really enjoy making content and helping people do things that they don't think that they can normally do. And this software, I think, makes it really easy for people to batch create their own NFTs and get really interesting results like the ones that you see here. So these are all unique and very interesting to me. Obviously, the artwork is not the best. I never claimed to be an artist, but very anime style. I have a few more things in the works, and the goal is to ensure that they all have one accessory. We're going to be doing 3 layers of accessories with varying rarity. So some rare ones will have 2, and some super rare ones will have 3. So I'm going to go finish that up, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to drop by my Rareable profile and check out what I've got on sale. And if you'd like to donate, the address is right here. Go ahead and send me some ETH because I always appreciate the help. Thanks, guys.